Hi everyone, and welcome to the Adopting Open Textbooks workshop put on by BC Campus. Thank you very much for joining us for the next 4 weeks. I am going to be one of the facilitators, and we have a couple of other facilitators here who will introduce themselves shortly. We're the BC Campus Open Textbook team working on the Open Textbook project here in British Columbia. My name is Clint Lalonde. I'm the manager of Open Education for BC Campus, and I'll be one of the facilitators for this 4-week workshop. I'll turn it over to Amanda to introduce herself.
Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Coolidge and I am also a manager of Open Education at BC Campus. I work with a lot of the faculty and authors in developing, adapting, and creating open textbooks. And I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you, or as many as I can, and working on the open textbook workshop over the next 4 weeks with each of you. Lori?
Hello everyone. My name is Lori Asa, and I am also a manager of Open Education with the BC Open Textbook Project, and I too work with authors on creating and adapting textbooks for the Canadian post-secondary system. I too look forward to meeting all of you and will be welcoming you as you enter the Open Textbook Adoption Workshop space over the next 4 weeks.
Thanks, Lori and Amanda. So as Amanda mentioned briefly, we do have a lot of people registered in this course. I think we're sitting at about 250 people, mostly from North America, that are going to be participating in this course. And we thought what we'd do here is just give you a brief overview of what we're going to do for the next 4 weeks and the topics we're going to cover. Most of this is self-paced, so you'll be working at your own pace. And we do have one scheduled event each week, which is our weekly webinars. Which happen Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Pacific time. We'll be using a tool called Blackboard Collaborate for that, and those sessions will be recorded. So if you can't attend the 11 a.m. sessions, then you'll be able to check out the recordings later on. So we're going to start off with the first week, taking a look at open education in general and what are open textbooks and what is open education. It's kind of a broad term. It can mean a lot of different things. So we'll start kind of delving in right with what is open education, what are open textbooks, what are some of the different activities that go into to make up that term open education. And then from there into week 2, hand it over to Amanda.
Yeah, so week 2 we're going to be looking at Creative Commons licensing, and it's a pretty broad topic and also one that can get a little bit specific in terms of which Creative Commons license you should be using when you are adapting or creating open textbooks or any open educational resource. So we're going to be going through those specifically, and we actually have a guest speaker joining us on Wednesday, which is who is Paul Stacy from Creative Commons, so he can answer some more specific questions you might have. Following that, we go into week 3, which is about institutional readiness, and this is really about how to inform your institution and work with everyone involved at the institution, from students to administrators, in adopting open textbooks. So it's really important that you have everyone on board in your project or when you're doing the adoptions, and this will help you get started with that. And we'll be joined on Wednesday by 2 faculty from Tidewater Community College who've done a really innovative project in creating what they call the Z degree, which is called Zero Cost Textbook Degree. So you'll get some more information about that as the weeks progress. Week 4, Clint.
Week 4, we're going to dive into finding and evaluating open textbooks. So we're going to take a look a little bit about some of the criteria you might want to use when deciding on an open textbook in your course. And in fact, we're going to talk not only about open textbooks, but really about textbook selection and the role of a textbook in your course. So that will be the topic for week number 4, and our webinar that week is going to involve people from Merlot, one of the largest learning object repositories, one of the oldest learning object repositories in education, and we'll talk a little bit about Merlot and take a look at that repository and try to take a look at some of the tools to help you find a textbook for your course. So there's a brief overview of the 4-week course. I'm going to turn it over to Lori here just to kind of wrap it up to let you know how to get a hold of us during the course.
Right. So if you are on Twitter or want to sign up for a Twitter account, you can follow us at #AdoptOTB. AdoptOTB, that's Adopt Open Textbook, OTB, or if you would like to email us at adoptotb@bccampus, all one word, .ca. adoptotb@bccampus.ca. And we look forward to a wonderful 4-week workshop with all of you.
Thank you very much, and we'll see you online.
Bye.
Bye.